This is how to boost your TikTok profile using AI. Note, this is for educational purpose only. I'm not advising anybody to boost his or her TikTok account. First of all, we'll be using this TikTok account, Rita Sutton. Go to share profile, copy your profile link. Copy the profile link of the account you want to boost. Then go to this site. I will leave the site in the description below. So search for TikTok followers. You can see you can get 1,000 followers for 4,000 naira. So click the link you want to, the profile link you want to boost and impute the quantity. So let us start with 500 followers. Click on submit. As you can see, we just submitted another for 500 followers. So this is the account. So after submitting the URL, let's wait for some few minutes. Okay, so after a few minutes, go back to the account. You can see some notification popping up. So refresh the accounts. You can see we have 505 followers. So this is a simple way you can boost your TikTok or any TikTok accounts. Kindly do it to like, share, and subscribe, and follow for more.